Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. Today we'll be bringing you part 2 of our Chi Sao Chin Na chokes, utilizing your Wing Chun and combining it with your Chi Sao, going into chokes and takedowns. But before we get to that, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe. This will help us greatly. And remember to check the box to always so you'll be kept up to date with our latest videos. Have a great day and remember, train hard. Defend the straight punch using Tan Sao and punch. Move into Pak Sao punch, Toi Lop, reverse side kick to break the balance, apply the choke, turn the body, and take the opponent down. From Look Sao roll, I'm going to apply a Pak Sao with a palm strike. Release, move around, Tan Sao palm, Pak palm, double arm break, reverse side kick to the leg, break the balance, apply the choke, wrap, and draw the opponent down. Defend the straight punch using Tan Sao and punch. Follow Pak Sao palm strike, double arm break, reverse side kick, break the balance, moving into the double Lan Sao as a choke. Defend the round punch, half step, Bong Sao. Move outside Lop Sao punch, Pak Sao palm strike, double arm break, into the choke. From Look Sao roll, my partner is going to step out and throw a round punch. I'll half step to it, Bong Sao, move outside Lop Sao punch, Pak Sao palm strike, Toi Lop to the arm break, moving into the choke. Defend the straight punch using Pak Sao punch. Flow into double armbar, side kick, wrist lock, sweep throw. From Look Sao roll, I apply a Pak Sao with a palm strike. Chin Sao into the Toi Lop arm break. Side kick the leg, move down, wrist lock to sweep throw. Defend the straight punch using Tan Sao punch, follow Pak Sao punch to the body, Chin Sao, Lop Sao side palm to the head, step across in front, armbar drag takedown. From Look Sao roll, I apply a Pak Sao punch to my opponent's body. Chin Sao, Pak Sao punch again, Lop side palm, step through, arm drag takedown. Defend the straight punch using a tan sao and a punch. Follow a pak sao punch to the body. Bring up arm break. Sweep, half fist to the throat. From Look Sao Roll, I apply a pak sao and a palm strike to the body. Chin sao into tan sao punch to the head, arm break, draw the head back, sweep, half fist to the throat. Defend the round punch using bong sao. Move outside, lap sao, side palm. Draw the arm back into a key lock, figure 4, step behind for the throw. From Look Sao Roll, my opponent steps out and throws a round punch. I defend the round punch using a bong sao. Move outside, lap sao, side palm. Draw back, key lock. Move in, figure 4. Scoop behind yun gurk to.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.